Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Stark and I am a product training coordinator here at Wellness Living. This video will cover one of our exciting new improvements which will help you view and organize the display for staff member schedules more easily. So let's take a look. So as you can see, currently I am within the schedule and I am in day view right here. And we can see we have all of these staff columns. We have David, Vanessa, Carrie, Dawn, Philip, Ryan, Janice, so on and so forth. So with this new improvement, we will now be able to view staff in the schedule day view much easier. And this is going to be based on resolution. So let's take a look what happens when I actually change the resolution and bring it down. So one moment. Alright, so I did just lower the resolution, and once the resolution is lowered, what I can do and what we can see is this little blue arrow right here, and if I hover over it, it says 3 more staff members, and what I can do is I can click on it where it's going to navigate down, and it's going to show me the rest of my selected staff within the schedule. So let's go ahead and click and see the 3 other staff members that are on our schedule. And we can see George, Stacy, and Marty there. And then we can, of course, go back to it and click to go back. So with this improvement as well, previously you could only view 16 staff members on the schedule at a particular time. So again, staff members within the day view and within their staff columns like they are shown right here. However, we have removed this limit of 16 and have built an admin-only switch that will allow the number of staff members displayed on the schedule to depend on your screen resolution, as we have just seen the functionality here with that blue arrow. So this means that if somebody has a larger screen, they will be able to see more staff members at once, and if they have a smaller screen, then they will need to scroll using the arrow that appears. So this is a new setting which basically sets a minimum size for each column. So if there are too many staff members, it doesn't make each column tiny just to make them all fit in. It just lets you scroll to see more, which is absolutely great. In addition, for those with administrative access, you can find the new on-off toggle where you can enable or disable the functionality that I just demoed within the schedule day view. And in addition, this is on by default, so we can see it by going to Business, into Administration, into Features, clicking on Business Settings right here, and then navigating down to the bottom where we can see the on-off slider here, where it says, when enabled, the number of staff columns on day view calendar would display based on screen resolution. In addition, there are some optimizations made to the staff members page. So to navigate to the staff members page is very simple. What we want to do is actually just go to the app drawer, click on Setup, navigate down to the Staff tab, and then click on Staff Members. Once here, what we want to do is just navigate right over here to the top right and click on Sort for the Sort menu. So as you can see, if I hover over the Sort menu, it's going to say Sort. If I click on it, it's going to open it up, and we have a variety of options here to sort by. So underneath Sort By, we can sort by name alphabetically, and if I click on it, we can see the sort order would be either from A to Z or Z to A. I can click to sort by date created, so this would be the date that the staff's profile had been created, and under sort order, we can sort from new to old or old to new. And then we also have this one, which is a custom sort order, which allows me to drag and drop, which is really cool. So let's say that I want this staff member to be number 1, and let's say I want Marty up here. I can do that. I can move him right here. And let's say I want Vanessa to be here. I can go ahead and do that by doing the drag and drop option. And once I'm happy with everything, all I have to do is go down here and click on Save. And we can see we get a confirmation at the top saying that the changes have been successfully saved. From here, what I can do is we can see that this has been actually saved and it's going to reflect in our schedule within the day view. So let's go right to our schedule, click there, and we can see that functionality take place. So we are back within the schedule, and as you can see, we are in day view. And from using that custom sort order, it shows exactly what I actually did in the other section there. So we can see that Ryan is now in the first slot, Marty is in the second slot, and then Vanessa is in the third, which I did by dragging and dropping with that custom sort order. So overall, this improvement provides more control and customization in how you want your schedule to run.